Welcome! In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this TROND power strip with USB charger. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So this has 6 AC outlets, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. It has 900 joule surge protection. The plug is 0.33 inches in depth and it has a 5-foot cord. This has a USB-C PD port that has 20 watts. We have more specs listed on the back. This has a breakdown of the wattages of the USB ports. You can pause and read through this. So port 1 has 20 watts of PD, and then ports 2, 3, 4 have a shared output of 15 watts. Let's get this open. So here we have the instructions. You want to read through this on your own. Has the specs listed again. Here's a drilling template for mounting this. And here's the surge protector itself. So it has a flat cord and a flat plug. You can see that's very shallow. So you could put this behind a piece of furniture. It has a hook and loop tie here. We have outlets here, here, and here. And we have USB ports here. On the bottom we have keyhole slots. So you can mount this with the USB ports up. So let me get this off here. I'll go ahead and plug this in. So on this power meter we're getting 0.0 watts draw. So it has a low phantom draw. We have a green indicator light. It's very dim, so it's not likely to be bothersome if you don't like lights. And we do have rubber feet on the bottom too. So let's plug some things into this. Here I have a 2024 iPad Pro with USB Type-C charging. Here I have a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. So I'll plug one end into the iPad. And I'll plug the other into the PD port. So now we're charging. And we're currently pulling 21.3 watts from the charger. So we're getting that full 20 watt PD. Here we have an iPhone. I have a Lightning to USB-A cable. Plug that in here, and now that's charging. We'll see if the iPad is still charging, and it is. So we can plug other things in here. Here's a power adapter for a MacBook. So that will not fit here. That would fit here or fit here. Let's see how that looks. So there, it's going to stick low. So I'll put that on the top. Here I have a power brick. This isn't plugged into anything right now, but we can use it for demonstration. I can plug that in here. Fits nicely. And here we have a plug that's at a right angle. So that could fit in there. That does stick below the bottom just a bit if you had this mounted on something. So you could plug it in, say on this side, like so. Now if you have all of the same type of plug, you may run into issues, but since it has plugs on 3 different sides, when you have different styles of plugs, you're likely to find one that it will fit in. Now that can crowd the USB ports here, so you want to take that into consideration. But I would say there's no perfect power strip that will fit everything all the time. But I like that this has different options to make it more versatile. So that's the TROND power strip with USB charger. I really like the versatility of this power strip. You have the 5-foot cord on it, so you can easily plug this into a wall outlet. So if this were hanging off the back of a desk, you could plug it in the wall. And then you could set this on the edge of the desk and have the USB port stick out the front. And then you can plug different accessories in here. So if you occasionally need to plug things into a power outlet, but you don't want to dig down behind your desk, I think this could be good for that. Now you could also mount this, so you could maybe mount it under a desk and plug things into it. And it has those nice keyhole slots for that. This could also be good for travel. So if you're at a hotel, you could plug this in the wall, and then you could put this up on a nightstand or a desk, and you could plug your phone in to charge it, and your laptop, and other accessories. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.